What's up, Octane Gang? We checking in. Had to call my boy CJ to the rescue again. Man, look at them plugs. Kept telling my stepdad, man, we need to check them plugs, bro. I don't know. Then what fuck's in? Damn, what the fuck is that? I'm like, bro, we need to check these plugs. Kept telling him. He was like, nah, them plugs new. They just rebuilt the motor. Like, man, it's all good, though. Yeah, them things bumped up, boy. Trying to get it. The fuck is that, go? Oh, well, you get it. Them shits is burnt up, though. It's no good.
Lambo to it, I'm speeding. Sunday, she calling me baby. You don't need no the meaning. Good gas, got him fatty. Will it be me, got him dreaming. All black, got me trending. Red cool, red fending. Break the law, don't bend it. Say your money, don't spend it. Do the shit, don't think about it. Boy, your diamonds looking hella cloudy.
I decided to go with the E3s. Been hearing a lot of good reviews about these. Everybody said they're pretty good or whatnot, so we'll see. Yeah, let's get a lot more spark. Yeah, they say you get a whole lot of more spark with these too. Also, if you have a Cutlass, Buick, Pontiac, whatever, with a 350 in it, a 350 rocket in it, don't get the 5.6. So like me, I got an 87, 88 Cutlass. I told them what I had, and they did the spark plugs, which is a rookie move. I should have known better, but they did the spark plugs based off of 87, 88 Cutlass. So they told me to get the E3 5.6s. When I should have had this one, they had told me the motor came out of 72 Cutlass, which means I would need to get the E3.52s. So yeah, so you got a motor swap or anything like that, 350 Rocket, it's an older motor, let them know, you know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure y'all know that, but it was a rookie move with me. Let them know you got a 350 and you know, it ain't the same, the motor don't match the car, so you get the right spark plugs. But I had got the wrong ones, it was a little too long. So I'm going to get the right ones, swap them out real quick, be back at it. All right, here go those E352s I was talking about. As you can tell, look a whole lot better than the last ones I had. I should have did a better comparison. I didn't realize that was the wrong ones at the time. But yeah, that looked more like it. See the old burnt out one than the new one. The other one was way longer. It was, I got one hand, I can't even do it, man. It had to be about a half inch longer. Yeah. But yeah, about to see. About to see. Yeah, them things is burnt out. I didn't know they was gonna be burnt out like that. What the hell?
I've seen worse.
Yeah, I feel like
So I mean,
I done seen some pretty bad in my time.
yeah. So I mean, it's not every cylinder.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad. Facts.
So, I mean,
Whatever cylinder that was, yeah, that bitch tweaking.
Yeah, that motherfucker first one.
But
That motherfucker.
but that
That nigga was stressed the fuck out.
but
Hey nigga,
get me out of here.
me.
Yeah, they had AGKs in here, so it wasn't too bad. I guarantee she gonna fire right up.
Dates and
The
you would
spark
be
plugs?
you would have been able to tell if they really did change them.
She probably gonna fire right up. Oh yeah, got my boy running that amp kit too. Yeah, you know I ain't had that wham in the truck in a minute. Yes, sir. Overdue. So this what, the third one?
Mm-hmm.
Third one on the passenger side. She was a little burnt. Okay. Well, yeah, I might mess around, go ahead and grab me like a solar bag. 12, 15.
Cheap enough.
Yeah. I found like a 15 already in the box. Solar bag, 15 already in the box. I'm throwing that right in the trunk. Cause I don't wanna hit it too hard anyway. Just
Right.
you know, unless I'm out the neighborhood and I might crank it a little bit, but being in my neighborhood, I ain't gonna go too crazy on it.
Not too bad.
Yeah, it should smell like a little gas.
It could be
I got a new distributor, new wire.
my valves and all that stuff, but yeah, you got.
Yeah, I'm bright right there. Get them bright. That's just what I needed right there. The little night drive now. Yes, sir. About to fire this thing up. CJ done put the new spark plugs in. Let's see what she sound like. See what she sound like. See if we can get one take crank or what. So I'm trying now. I'm gonna try to crank without hitting the gas either. See if it'll crank right up. Okay. I didn't have to hit the gas. While you on or something. I didn't have to hit the gas, huh? Yes, sir. I ain't got a whole lot of smoke. Listen to me. I don't smell a whole lot of gas either. I don't smell a whole lot of gas either. Shit. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay.
Real one in today.
Might be on or something. Charlie, let it go, buddy. You're not in the cage. You're in the house. It's warm in there. What more do you want, man? All the car audio people, y'all know what's going on. It's a little start. I'm gonna fill my amp. It's a little start. A little 1001 Memphis. We're gonna get it right. But yeah, got the power cord, the RCAs. The little blue wire, that's remote, right? The little blue one?
Yeah, it's
Yeah, remote wire. I still know a little something. Yeah, man. Hell trying to run that thing back through there, though. Y'all G-body owners, y'all probably can relate. It's kind of hard getting them past that back seat. Yeah. Got to hide everything now. Next video, I might have some boom boom in the truck. Gotta figure out which route I'm gonna go.
Come outside about 5 minutes.
All right, Octane, I think that wraps it up for the day. CJ came and did the replacement spark plugs. I had the wrong ones. Had to run the advanced auto. Grab the right ones. The E3.52s. He already ran the amp kit for the system. My boy put them LEDs in. I come on here a little bit. Put the LEDs in for me. Cut it. Yeah. Ain't y'all. There we go. So yeah, it's been a successful day, man. Cause I got a lot done to it. They ran the wires to the trunk already. RCAs on the passenger side. Power remote on the other side. And I already hooked it up to the back of the radio. And we just got the oh, I thought I had my flash on. I guess it ain't on no more. And went ahead and hooked it up to the amp. I think I'm gonna go ahead and buy this kicker I seen on eBay. L712. That should be enough. I don't need too much. I don't need too much wham bam. But yeah, man, it's been a pretty cool Sunday. A little rainy, but we got a lot done. Got a few more things I'm gonna knock off on the list for the Cutlass here in the next week or so. But yeah, that's it.